So let's move on to the next one. Now we are given a question. Now this is the axis. We have x-axis and we got y-axis. Now we have a figure. Now the figure is a triangle. So it is starting at a point 1, 1. Then it moves all the way to 2, 3, 4. And at 4, there is another vertex. So this is 4 and this is 1. And then it moves all the way to 5. So this is 3, 4 and 5. At 5, it hits over here. So this is in tandem with 3. So if I were to draw this, the figure looks something like this. Okay, so this vertex is 1, 1. This is 4, 2 and this is 3, 5. Now what they are saying is this shape is actually reflected on the y-axis. Always remember, reflecting a shape like this on, or you can use the word in the y-axis, will change the x-coordinates. Okay, but the y-coordinate will always remain the same. What does that mean? Whenever you reflect x, y on the y-axis, it will become negative x, y. So this will be the new coordinate. So in this case, if I were to take this as P, Q, R, then the new figure will be P dash of negative 1, 1, Q dash of negative 4, 2, and R dash of negative 3, 5. So that will be the solution for this question. Okay, probably you can draw that. So let me show you this. This is negative 1, so this will be the first coordinate. That's P dash. So negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. So you have a coordinate negative 4. Now this negative 4 is moving all the way to 2. So 2 will not be altered. So you have a shape like this. And then negative 3 all the way to 5. So if you were to draw this, this is how it's going to look like. Okay. So this is P dash, Q dash and R dash. So that is the reflecting that image part. Now you have the next part. What does it say? A triangle, the same triangle after translation by vector negative 3, 4. So this triangle, let me use translation is taking place. A translation of negative 3, negative 4. Now what you have to do is, to every coordinate, now this is P, right? You add negative 3 to the x coordinate, negative 4 to the y coordinate. So you will obtain the new translation and you have to obtain those coordinates. So what I will do is probably I will, since the figure is here, I will write the solution here. So after translation with negative 3, negative 4, we have, so what do we have? So I'm going to represent it as P double dash. Negative 3 added with 1. So that's going to give you negative 2. Negative 4 added with 1. That's going to give you negative 3. And then Q double dash, negative 3 added with 4. That's going to be 1. Negative 4 added with 2, that's going to be negative 2. And R double dash, negative 3 added with 3, 0. And negative 4 added with 5, that's going to be 1. So this is going to be the new translated coordinates for the image. Students,